Morning motivation. Set clear and achievable goals, define what you want to accomplish, and create a roadmap to get there. Breaking down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks can make them seem less overwhelming. Surround yourself with positive influences, seek out people who support and encourage you, and try to limit your exposure to negativity. Find your purpose, discover what truly motivates and inspires you, and pursue it with passion and dedication. Focus on personal growth, challenge yourself to learn new things, try new experiences, and embrace opportunities for self-improvement. Embrace failure, don't be discouraged by setbacks and mistakes, instead see them as opportunities to learn and grow. Practice gratitude, take time each day to reflect on what you are thankful for and appreciate the good in your life. Help others, giving back to your community, whether it's through volunteering or simply being there for a friend in need, can bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose to your life. Stay healthy, regular exercise, healthy eating, and self-care can boost your physical and mental well-being, providing you with the energy and resilience you need to tackle life's challenges.